Hello everyone. You stuck in the safe mode on Samsung phone and your power button doesn't work. So here are 3 ways how to get out of the situation and to escape from your safe mode. Down from the top left corner of your screen, here you'll see this safe mode is on sign. Simply tap on it. Simply tap there to turn off safe mode and confirm your choice by pressing turn off. Your phone will start the reboot process and you will be booted up to the normal Android which you're used to use. The second variant is pretty much the same. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the power icon. So here you are either to press power off or restart and you will be booted up to your normal Android version. Easy as that. And the third way is through your settings. So in order to perform it, let's open up our settings. Then let's scroll down to our accessibility tab. There we are. Then we gotta locate our interaction and dexterity. Now make sure to tap on the switch near the assistant menu. We will need it. Now we'll have this assistant menu shortcut. So tap on the assistant menu. And here you're simply to choose your power off menu. So choose your power off menu option, tap power off or restart, and your phone is gonna be loaded into a normal mode. Basically, that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.